The moonlight whispers soft and clear. Ramadan fades, Eid is near. A month of mercy, prayer so deep. Now memories in our hearts to keep. We rose before the morning light to seek His grace in the silent night, with heads raised high and hearts so true. We asked for love, for life anew. The hunger pangs we bore with pride, for greater blessings none denied. Each sunset brought a golden hue, with dates and water fresh and new. Through sujood our souls took flight, finding peace in the darkest night. The Quran's words, a guiding flame, soft whispers calling out His name. The tears we shed in sacred prayer were not in vain, for He was there, forgiving hearts and mending pain, as mercy poured like gentle rain. Now Eid approaches bright and fair, joyful voices fill the air. The crescent smiles a beacon bright, a festival bathed in golden light. New garments shine, so pure, so white. Children laughing in delight. Sweets prepared with love so true. A time of kindness, a time of need. The morning sun will rise so high. Takbirs will echo through the sky. A prayer of unity, side by side. In faith and love, our hearts abide. We greet each soul with warm embrace, a smile, a prayer, a touch of grace. No sorrow lingers, none despair, for He has come.